day in Southern California. We've had a little bit of rain, so it's just beautiful out. The foothills here of the San Gabriel Mountain have a little bit of moisture, so they're getting green. And I can hear water in this creek behind me. I'm in the Monrovia Canyon Park. I've got my pole, so you know I'm in training for a backpack later this year. But today, my hike is partly on roads, dirt roads, and then trail. Wait to get started. My destination again today is called Deer Park. Well, I have to say, again, I've never done this hike before, and it's very well marked. Here's where I leave the dirt road and actually begin hiking on a trail. So, again, I parked my car in a parking, paid $6, started on a paved road, and headed towards that Trask Boy Scout camp. You are here. I am here, and I'm going to take this trail now, and my destination, which I can see on this map, is called Deer Park. It's about 3.5 miles one way. Had that rain, the sun is shining, so what a beautiful day for a hike that I've never done before. I mentioned earlier, I've never done this hike before, and I'm impressed. The trail is very well marked. Look at this. You don't see this kind of signage too often on trails here in the Gabbies. A lot of this. Do you see that plant there? I'm not even going to touch it. That's poison oak. It has a very distinctive looking leaf. And again, touch it and you'll get a rash. It's all over here. Quite luxuriantly. So far, so good. My destination, Deer Park. Well, I made it. This is called Deer Park. And there's actually not a lot to see. It's the site of an old resort that used to exist here many, many years ago. The resort long ago burned down. This is the foundations of a building that used to be here. It's oaky, nice boulders here. I'm not gonna poke around. I'm sure there's rattlesnakes, but come up this way. An old corral, because in the old days, people used to come up here by horse and burro. So this is kind of it. Again, 3.5 miles from the trailhead. I'm at just about 3,000 feet above sea level. A great hike to do in the middle of the winter, like today after a rain, or because it's largely shaded. I could imagine even doing this in the summer if it's not too hot. Deer Park.